Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Chemistry Accord. This is unit number 5, Variety of Life. So let's start. In 1996, Ernest Haeckel proposed a third kingdom which is called fungi. The five kingdom system was proposed by Robert Whittaker. Organisms with eukaryotic cells belong to kingdom Monera. Lineage developed in the system of nomenclature, which we study today, are binomial. The scientific name of onion is Allium cepa. Allium belongs to genus. The mode of nutrition for fungi in five kingdom system is through absorption. Retrovirus causes AIDS. The disease caused by paramyxoxyvirus is measles and mumps. The infection's protein particle is prion. The most effective protection against viral infection is disinfectants. The HIV primarily infects red blood cells. Viruses are considered non-living because they do not reproduce independently. The step in the lytic cycle follows attachment of viruses and release DNA into the host cell is called disintegration of host DNA. The part of animal virus is not produced in multiple copies is envelope. RNA retrovirus have a special enzyme that transcribes viral DNA as cDNA. Diseases tobacco mosaic is caused by virus. In 1935, Stanley isolated crystal of virus from infected leaf of tobacco. The virus that can pass through porcelain filters are called filterable. Viruses are a strict parasite that requires the enzyme of the host for their life processes. The eukaryotic multicellular reducers are fungi. Edward Jenner first vaccinated an 8-year-old boy with pus from cowpox lesion in 1796. In 1884, one of Pasteur's associate, Charles Chamberlain, found that bacteria cannot pass through porcelain filters. The disease transferred to humans by biting of dogs is called rabies. Obligate intracellular parasite because they lack machinery are viruses. How many gaspomeres are present in the capsid of herpes virus? They are 162 in numbers. Bacteriophage occurs in two structural form having cubical symmetry. In general appearance, cubical face of virus are regular, solid or isosahedral. This is the isosahedral shape. Tail of bacteriophage has an enzyme for portion of bacterial cell wall called lysosome. The phage which cause lysis of the host cell is called lytic. A process in which DNA of virus detached from host chromosomes and start a lytic cell is called induction. Mitochondria and chloroplast are organelles of symbiotic origin. Multicellular eukaryotic heterotrophic decomposers. In the two kingdom system, which of these food characterized as animal ingestion of food? The five kingdom system of classification was proposed by Robert Whittaker. This is repetitive. Next is Organisms with prokaryotic cell belong to the kingdom Monera. The mode of nutrition related to fungi in five kingdom classification is absorption. A group of organisms at any particular level in a classification system is called taxon. A virus which incorporates its DNA into the DNA of its host organism is prophage. Which virus is transmitted by facial oral route, that is hepatitis A? The plant kingdom is first divided into which category of classification? It was first divided into divisions. The 7 bones in the human neck correspond with the 7 much larger neck bones in the giraffe. They are called as homologs. The fact that all land animals with backbones have the basic pattern of 5 boned arms. This similarity is due to an inheritance from a common ancestor. If 2 organisms are in the same phylum, they must be in the same kingdom. An example of latent period in which DNA of phage is integrated with the DNA of host coil chromosome is lysogenic phage. Virus is a Latin word which means poison. Viroids differ from other viruses in having only naked RNA molecule. The first to isolate plant virus as crystal is W.M. Stanley. Genetic material of tobacco mosaic virus is RNA. Herpes and shingles are caused by medium and large genome DNA virus. The virus whose genome acts directly as messenger RNA after infecting a host cell are pulse-strand RNA viruses. The best known anti-HIV drug is azidothymidine. Encephalitis is caused by arbovirus. A plant infected from an external source of virus through injured parts is through horizontal transmission. During lytic cycle, how many phages are released from infected host cell? They ranges from 100 to 200. When a bacteriophage is integrated into a cellular genome, it is called prophage. Viroids are small, naked fragments of RNA that infect plant cells. Viruses that cause lysis in the host cells are called virulent viruses. Chlorotic fever is caused by double-stranded RNA virus. Hepatitis A is caused by unenveloped RNA virus. Electrophoresis is used to separate fragments of DNA. Reverse transcription carried out by retrovirus is the process by which RNA information is copied into DNA. The phage reproductive cycle that kills the bacterial host cell is lytic. Once bound to the cell surface, the virus must enter their genetic material. The transmission of virus from host to progeny is vertical transmission. Some RNA viruses have no DNA stage. Messenger RNA is synthesized from an RNA template. These are minus-strand RNA viruses. Popping the HIV virus nucleic acid depends on reverse transcriptase. The first virus to be purified was tobacco mosaic virus. The virus capsid may be described as outside protein coat. What is the distinguishing feature of retrovirus? Encode reverse transcriptase. Pigs are reservoir to hepatitis E. Genetically transmitted virus is hepatitis C. Prokaryotic organisms make up the cyanobacteria. Eubacteria, and Archaeobacteria. In printed scientific names, only genus name is capitalized. Hepatitis B viral genome contain 359 nucleotides. Viruses are symmetrical in structure. We know this because can be crystallized and they can be crystallized for years. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for the next part and like the video. Thank you.